Hi guys, I'm here today with another video tutorial to how to set up WireGuard and WireGuard UI on AWS server. So let's get into it. So we'll first log into our AWS. Let's create an instance, launch it. Let's give it a name. So WireGuard. Will be an Ubuntu server. We'll be using a free tier. Servers here. For security, I'll use an existing one which I created previously. And launch. So and then in here we click on connect to instance. And click connect. To make this training easy, I have created a notepad file which I'll be sharing in the details below. So I put in steps from 1 to 12 and we'll be executing one by one each. So we'll start with add update, which this will update our Ubuntu. Before that, just let's go sudo-i. So we'll get into the root. So apt update. This will basically update the OS. Then we will install Docker. Continue. We'll be installing the vim editor, which we'll later on use to edit the WireGuard configuration file. Then by this command we will be adding the GitHub repository, setting the necessary permissions to the file. At this point, let's check the docker-compose version. It's currently on 2.26.1. Let's create a directory and WireGuard. Get into it. And then now we will create a docker-compose file. Okay. This is the configuration which needs to be entered into the file. The only two things you may need to change in this file, this is the username and the password. This will be for the UI. When you want to connect, let's say create a user, make the changes. I'll just leave this as is for the training purpose, but make sure you change this. Okay, Control C, semicolon, right, quit. Yes. Here after that, we'll copy the Docker Compose up. We'll wait for the UI and the WireGuard to be installed. So when this is done, we have 2 containers started already. So I say congratulations, we are almost done. So to just make sure that the container is up and running, we will use this command and we'll check. Okay, we got the containers here. These two with the containers IDs. Okay, now we should be able to log into our UI. The two port numbers which will be used in this would be port 80 for the web interface, and this will be TCP and UDP 51820 for the WireGuard connections. Here we go, the UI is up, so we will log in. Yeah, the few things you need to check here. First will be the global settings. Make sure that this is your public IP address, which has been detected automatically by the system. And here you can add any other DNS servers if you wish. Click on save, and then WireGuard server, you will need to enter the up script and the down script, which I have added in the notes. So the top one will be the up script and the down one is for down script. So save, and then we'll go to the WireGuard client. We will create a client here. Let's just call it WireGuard. Then we'll click submit. The user is created. You click on download. The config file will be downloaded. If you want to use it on your mobile, Android area or iOS, so you can scan the QR code. So let's give it a try. WireGuard, import the file, and then you click on activate. Okay, and then you can see that we are receiving and sending files. So to check that if everything's working fine, so we'll go like use my IP. And you can see that the IP address has been changed to a WireGuard server. Thank you for watching this video.